Good morning, children. Today I'm going to explain you about comparing number using greater sign, smaller sign and equals to. Okay, so here you observe the number strips, right? Do you observe the number strip? If you have to compare the number 5 and 8, what we see, the 8 is larger than number 5, right? The 8 is larger than number 5, or else 5 is smaller than 8. We also say 5 is less than 8. So there are two ways to show this comparison. One is greater than sign and the one is less than sign. Therefore, if we write 8 first and 5 later on, that means that's a greater than sign, right? And here if we write 5 and 8, so now here we see that is a smaller than sign. So the sign are different to compare, right? Whenever you have to see the first digit number, I have a story to explain you so that you can easily catch with the comparing of number. So there is a alligator. Suppose you have a alligator, okay, and the alligator has a big mouth, right? The alligator has a big mouth and so furious jaw. So here we have the alligator, okay. Okay, this is the alligator. Okay, so this alligator is very hungry. So whenever the alligator is hungry, we will serve him numbers. Suppose I have 2 and 3. So alligator is very hungry, right? So will he eat a smaller number or he will eat the bigger number? He is very hungry. So he is going to eat the big number, right? The alligator is going to eat the big number. Let us see one more example. Suppose we have 14 and 7. 14 and 7. Alligator is very hungry, right? So what he's going to eat? He's going to eat 7 or 14? He's going to eat 14, right? Big number. So the story is very simple. Wherever there is a big number, okay, that side the mouth will open. In this greater than sign and smaller than sign, you have to remember always that you got to see in two digit whatever. If you have numbers, suppose you have to see two numbers will be there, right? Example, you will have to compare 14 by 7 or 3 by 8 or else 3 and 1, right? Let us see. Always see the first digit, that is this hand side. Always see this hand side digit only. Never compare with this side, hand side you see, and this 14 is big, so mouth will open this side. 3 is small, so like this. 3 is again big, so like this. Okay, always compare the numbers from the first digit only. Then you can easily say this is greater sign, smaller sign, greater sign. Okay, then you can make it very clearly and it will be easy for you to understand. Okay, let me explain you some more from the textbook. So here we have comparing of numbers, right? Compare 24 and 8. So if you have one digit number and two digit number, so always the one digit number will be the smaller, right? The one digit number will be the smaller. 24 and 8, 24 is big and 8 is smaller. So 24 is greater than 8. Now compare 25 and 15. When you have two digit number, you have to compare seeing the tens one. Always see the tens one. What is tens? Tens is 2 here, tens is 1 here. So which one is big? 2 is big. So 25 is bigger than 15. Okay, so 25 is greater than 15. We say this is the tens. Now comparing two digit with same number with the tens. If you have the same number with the tens, you got to remember the ones. You have to find out ones. Here 3 and 7, which is bigger? 7 is bigger, right? So 23 is smaller than 27. Okay, hope that's clear for you. Thank you.